Okay, YouTube, so here's what's going on. About 20 seconds after I opened up the valves to allow my lines to pressurize over here, this fitting actually pulled out. I guess the flare was bad on it, and this line busted. So at that point, all the refrigerant came out of the system and everything, and I had to call out an AC tech to recharge the system. So the AC tech came out, pressurized the system with some nitrogen, and then the other end of the 1/4-inch line blew out right up here. It did the same exact thing, and I took photos of that. So that resulted in a $700 bill for the AC tech to repair that fitting up there, test the system, evacuate the system, and add 2 pounds of Freon to the system. So kind of pricey, but just wanted to give you a heads up as to what actually occurred there. Now, the AC actually works, so we're good to go. But I wanted to share my experience there. DAIKIN says that they will not warranty any of that because the warranty is on parts only. So if the repair tech would have come out, taken a part off, taken it to a DAIKIN dealer, brought the part back and replaced it, they would cover the part, but none of the labor or refrigerant to make that happen. So be aware that you may want to check those flare fittings and make sure they look good. After this flare fitting ruptured, my neighbor came over and reflared it. We reconnected it, and the AC tech reused my neighbor's flare that was on there. He didn't reflare it himself, and that held and that worked. So that tells me this 1/4-inch line was not flared correctly from the factory, and DAIKIN is not willing to stand behind that and reimburse me for any of that. So be aware that is a risk. Make sure that those flares look good. You may want to reflare them. I don't know. It depends on how comfortable you are with doing that. But the factory flares that were on my 1/4-inch line were bad. Everyone, if you enjoyed today's video, I would invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below right there on the right-hand corner. And if you felt that the products in today's video is something you might like to own yourself, there's a product link right up there to the right, upper right-hand corner, or down in the description will be a product link for you to purchase the product as well. Thank you very much for watching, YouTube.